Good morning, dear soul. As you awaken to the gentle embrace of a new day, I invite you to step into the sacred space of morning meditation. This is a time to center yourself, to connect with the boundless energy of the universe, and to set the tone for the day ahead. As you begin this journey, know that every thought, every breath, and every intention you set today has the power to shape your reality. The power of a new day. Each morning is a fresh start, a blank canvas on which you can paint the masterpiece of your life. As the sun rises, it brings with it new opportunities, new possibilities, and new hope. No matter what happened yesterday, today is a new day, a gift from the universe, full of potential and promise. As you sit here, feeling the weight of your body gently supported by the earth, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with the crisp, clean air of the morning. Feel the life force energy entering your body, nourishing every cell and bringing vitality to your being. As you exhale, release any tension, any worries, and any doubts. Let them dissolve into the air, leaving you with a sense of peace and calm. In this moment, you are free. Free from the past, free from the future. You are here now in this perfect moment, fully present and fully alive. This is the power of a new day, a chance to begin again, to start anew, to create the life you desire. Setting your intentions. As you continue to breathe deeply, I invite you to set your intentions for the day. What do you wish to experience today? What do you want to feel, to accomplish, to create? Take a moment to reflect on these questions and let your heart guide you to the answers. Your intentions are like seeds that you plant in the fertile soil of your mind. As you nurture them with your thoughts, your words, and your actions, they will grow and manifest in your reality. So choose your intentions wisely with love and care, knowing that they have the power to shape your day and your life. Perhaps you intend to approach the day with a sense of gratitude, appreciating the beauty and abundance that surrounds you. Or maybe you wish to cultivate a sense of inner peace, remaining calm and centered no matter what challenges come your way. Whatever your intentions may be, hold them close to your heart and trust that the universe will support you in bringing them to fruition. Connecting with your inner self. Morning meditation is a time to connect with your inner self, the part of you that is wise, loving, and infinitely powerful. This is the true essence of who you are, beyond the roles you play, the titles you hold, and the opinions of others. It is the part of you that is always at peace, always at ease, and always in harmony with the flow of life. As you sit here, in the stillness of the morning, turn your attention inward. Feel the warmth of your heart, the steady rhythm of your breath, and the gentle energy that flows through your body. This is your inner self, your true self, the source of all your strength, wisdom, and love. In this space of inner connection, you can access the guidance and wisdom that you need to navigate your day with grace and ease. You can tap into your intuition, your inner knowing, and the infinite intelligence of the universe. Trust that this guidance is always available to you, whenever you need it, and that it will always lead you in the direction of your highest good. Embracing the present moment. The present moment is where life truly happens. It is where you experience joy, love, and peace. It is where you find your true power, your true potential, and your true self. In morning meditation, you have the opportunity to fully embrace the present moment, to be fully aware of the beauty and magic of life as it unfolds. As you sit here, take a moment to fully experience the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the thoughts that come and go in your mind. Allow yourself to be fully present, fully aware, and fully alive in this moment. When you embrace the present moment, you open yourself up to the flow of life. You become attuned to the natural rhythms of the universe, and you begin to move in harmony with the flow of energy around you. This is where true peace and true happiness reside, in the here and now, in the present moment. Letting go of resistance. As you continue your morning meditation, it is important to let go of any resistance that may be holding you back. Resistance can take many forms: fear, doubt, worry, or attachment to a specific outcome. Whatever form it takes, resistance creates tension and blocks the flow of energy in your life. In this moment, I invite you to let go of any resistance you may be holding on to. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension, any fear, any doubt. Let it all go and feel the sense of relief and freedom that comes with it. When you let go of resistance, you allow yourself to move with the flow of life. You open yourself up to new possibilities, new opportunities, and new experiences. You become more flexible, more adaptable, and more in tune with the natural rhythms of the universe. Letting go of resistance is not about giving up or resigning yourself to a certain outcome. It is about trusting that the universe has a plan for you, and that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. It is about surrendering to the flow of life and allowing yourself to be guided by the wisdom of your inner self. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies in the universe. It has the ability to transform your life, to bring more abundance, more joy, and more love into your experience. In your morning meditation, take a moment to cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Think about the things in your life that you are grateful for, the people you love, the experiences that have shaped you, the opportunities that have come your way. Feel the warmth of gratitude in your heart and let it radiate out into the world. When you cultivate gratitude, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. You begin to see the beauty and abundance that surrounds you, and you attract more of it into your life. Gratitude opens your heart, raises your vibration, and aligns you with the energy of the universe. In your morning meditation, let gratitude be your guiding light. Let it fill your heart, your mind, and your spirit, and let it guide you throughout the day. With a grateful heart, you will find that the world is a beautiful, abundant place, full of endless possibilities and opportunities. Visualizing your ideal day. As you continue your morning meditation, I invite you to visualize your ideal day. Imagine how you would like your day to unfold, what you would like to accomplish, how you would like to feel, and the experiences you would like to have. See yourself moving through your day with ease and grace, handling any challenges that come your way with confidence and clarity. Visualize yourself interacting with others in a loving and compassionate way, and receiving the same in return. Imagine yourself ending the day with a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment, knowing that you have made the most of the opportunities that came your way. Your imagination is a powerful tool, and by visualizing your ideal day, you are setting the stage for it to become a reality. The mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is imagined, so when you visualize your ideal day, you are programming your mind to create it in your reality. Take a few moments to fully immerse yourself in this visualization. Feel the emotions, see the images, and experience the sensations as if it were already happening. Trust that the universe is supporting you in creating your ideal day, and that everything is unfolding in perfect harmony. Affirming your worth and potential. Morning meditation is also a time to affirm your worth and potential. You are a powerful, creative being, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You are worthy of love, success, and happiness, and you have the potential to create the life you desire. As you sit here in meditation, take a moment to affirm your worth and potential. Repeat these affirmations to yourself, either silently or out loud. I am worthy of all the good that life has to offer. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams. I am deserving of love, success, and happiness. I am powerful, creative, and confident. I am in alignment with the flow of the universe. I trust in the process of life and know that everything is unfolding for my highest good. Affirmations are powerful statements that reinforce positive beliefs about yourself and your life. By repeating these affirmations each morning, you are programming your mind to believe in your worth and potential. You are setting the foundation for a day filled with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Connecting with the energy of the universe. As you near the end of your morning meditation, take a moment to connect with the energy of the universe. Feel the life force energy that flows through all living things, the energy that creates the stars, the planets, and the entire cosmos. This energy is the source of all creation, and it is the same energy that flows through you. It is the energy of love, abundance, and infinite potential. When you connect with this energy, you tap into the limitless possibilities that the universe has to offer. Take a deep breath in, and as you do, imagine yourself drawing in this life force energy. Feel it filling your body, your mind, and your spirit, nourishing you and energizing you for the day ahead. As you exhale, imagine this energy radiating out from you, sending waves of love, peace, and positivity into the world. Know that you are always connected to this energy, and that it is always available to you. Trust that the universe is supporting you in all that you do, and that you are a powerful co-creator of your reality. Carrying the meditation into your day. As you prepare to end your morning meditation, take a moment to carry the peace, clarity, and intention you have cultivated into your day. Remember that the energy you have created in this space is with you always and that you can return to it whenever you need to. Throughout the day, take moments to pause, breathe, and reconnect with your inner self. Remind yourself of the intentions you set, the affirmations you made, and the energy you connected with. Let these be your guiding lights as you move through your day with purpose and grace. Know that you have the power to create the day you desire, and that the universe is always supporting you in this endeavor. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and trust in the infinite possibilities that each new day brings. Conclusion. Morning meditation is a sacred practice that allows you to connect with your true self, set powerful intentions, and align with the energy of the universe. It is a time to cultivate peace, clarity, and purpose, and to create the foundation for a day filled with love, joy, and abundance. As you continue to practice morning meditation, you will find that it becomes an essential part of your daily routine, a time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit, and to set the tone for a life of fulfillment and happiness. Remember, each new day is a gift, a fresh start, and a new opportunity to create the life you desire. Embrace it with gratitude, with love, and with the knowledge that you are a powerful co-creator of your reality. So, dear soul, as you go forth into your day, carry with you the peace, the clarity, and the intention that you have cultivated in your morning meditation. Trust in yourself, trust in the universe, and know that everything is unfolding in perfect harmony. May your day be filled with love, joy, and infinite possibilities. May you walk through the world with confidence, grace, and purpose, knowing that you are worthy of all the good that life has to offer. And may you always remember that you are a beautiful, powerful, and infinite being, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to.